Hey, what's going on, guys? Markel here, back with another video. For those that follow me for a while will remember this, but for those of you who are new to the channel, quick story before I unbox this. So I caught a watch on sale on the base website, AFI's website, for $47, which was the Apple Watch Series 5. They had a special, $47. You had to order it quick. I was one of the lucky ones that happened to see it, ordered it, and it was supposed to arrive a month ago. What happened was they sold out. So they called me and said, hey, we don't have any more Series watches. We can give you a refund. I said, I don't want a refund, I want a watch. So the guy was like, okay, we have the SE. So I'm like, what the heck is a SE? So it's like the lower grade version of the Apple Watch 6. It was still like, because this is the GPS and cellular version. So I'm like, I looked it up and it was like close to 400 bucks. I was like, all right, cool, I'll take it. So this is that watch, all right? So let's go ahead and unbox this, the SE version. Much different experience doing the Apple Watches. Okay, so we got the watch itself. I may not get the Series 7 because I completely forgot about this till it just arrived, to be quite honest. Anyway, so depending on how I feel using it, what we got here? Oh, some instructions I'm never gonna read. We get a charger, and underneath you get the actual bands to strap. So obviously I had them give me the extra large size. You guys look at that real quick. So I'm sure some of you guys have never seen this before, this experience with dealing with the Apple Watch, because it gives you the instructions and then it gives you two of these bands. I'm taking the bigger, larger one for my wrist, which is this one, and oops, shaky cam, and this one. And then putting this on, you just press down. There's a little button here. You just press down on this, and you slide that in place. Same thing with the other side. Same thing with the other side. You just press down on that little button right there, and then you slide these into place. It's just that easy to put on. There should be some power on this. Okay, grab my phone real quick. I miss having my Apple Watch, guys. My Apple Watch died like 3 weeks ago. Once you've had smartwatches for a while, it is hard going back to any other watch. So we're gonna hit continue, set it up for myself, and then you gotta, there it is, watch is paired, set up Apple Watch, left. So yeah, you go through all this. For those who've never seen this, you know, it's a good experience for you. Connecting to your Apple Watch. So yeah, it's gonna take a little bit. I'll be right back after it hooks up. Okay guys, so the watch is syncing right now to the phone. So I'm gonna let that sit and do its thing. But I wanted to show you guys this part where it asks you to get to know your watch, and it talks about all of the different things here, from the user guide to customizing it, health and fitness, to explore watch apps. So, but I still may end up getting the Series 7 watch and just having this one as a backup, because I would normally, guys, just have one of each, but I've learned over the years it's better to have a backup. So I'll probably use this until I get the 7 Series. All right guys, I'm back. So everything is all hooked up now. Go here to the watch. So you can add different watch faces here on the app. You pretty much have like all your apps that are on the watch are basically right here. And like I said, there's only a few things that I actually use quite a bit. one of which was Siri. I would always ask for Siri to get help with a certain thing. And then the other one I would use a lot is the camera app. You know how sometimes you have YouTubers that are like, oh, you can't frame this shot, this, that, and the other, and complaining. Do I have it on here already? Yep. So the camera app, right? And the camera app allows you to control the camera. And you can see yourself. So if you want to use the rear camera, which is what is on now, you can frame yourself with the rear camera. If you want to change it and go to the front camera, you can change it and go to the front camera. It's just that easy. So when these people are telling you, oh, you can't frame shots on the best camera, BS. They just don't know what they're doing. So, but that was the main things for me. You know, you still got the heart rate and all that stuff I don't really care about. My main focus that I cared about is Siri, answering phone calls, the camera app, and that's pretty much it. All this other stuff on here, except for like my home security setup, where you can monitor in the house and you can look at the camera, like right there I am. Like stuff like that. Other than that, I don't really care about all this other stuff. And then you're done. And then you can go in and customize and do all that stuff that you want inside the app right here. If you want to add a bunch of different like watch faces, different types of watch faces, you got all kinds here. You can change colors. You can click on the one, change the style, change the colors, top left, top right, bunch of different stuff you can do with these, right? So far I'm happy with this. I'll let you guys know after I've had it in war for a while. Am I still happy with it? But I do still plan on getting the Series Watch 7. When my Apple Watch went out, dude, oh my God, I was lost. So I'm definitely gonna have a backup, and this is more than likely gonna be the backup for the Series 7. But once I go to the States, I will be getting the Series 7. All right, guys, appreciate everybody watching as always. Until